Oh, is there any tight one in there?
No, it's on the muck.
It's bloody hell.
It's got a bit.
It might be the muck got underneath the concrete mine.
There's a little bit of Yard.Part in there, but
Yeah. Virtually straight on the ground, isn't it? Flipping heck. Oh well, we'll load that up and I'll get that away. Okay, we'll just have a quick look at this while they've stopped, or Charlie's stopped and he's gone off. So we've dragged all the concrete into piles here, which I'm taking off and using them, filling some holes and gateways and stuff. Quite a lot of it though, I've got a lot to deal with. You can see underneath the ground. Now, normally you'd expect this to be on hardcore, but it's actually right on the dirt. I can't believe it. It was poured straight on the ground. There's stone here, but I think that's all actual natural stone. That, but there's, look at it. Hardly any depth to it at all there. Straight on the dirt. I mean, it's amazing. It's lasted 40 years without any proper sculpting or reinforcing. So it just shows actually sometimes you can overspec stuff, because we're putting in steel in this. Looks slightly better over there. But we're putting steel in and 6 inches of type 1 underneath, and it's 6 inches of concrete. Anyway, as you get in there, you can see where I've marked out. I'm not taking up this broken bit. We're just taking that. We're taking that bit in the front there to this line bit here, up there. But progress is going well. go. One load of type 1 sculpins in, so they're going into the basin there to form the foundations.
Alright?
Yeah, lovely job, mate. Thanks very much.
I'll try and get the next one. Yeah.
Next one next to it. That'd be fine.
Yeah. We'll put the next one there.
Well, I might have a bit of time with a loader bucket to move some of it over a bit out the way. Depends. Yeah, he'll use that today and tomorrow anyway. Thanks very much.
That's good. Alright then.
Cheers. And he's off. Okay, so we're cracking on with this. Charlie's getting all the concrete up. I'm filling in dips and gateways and stuff with it. It is a bit of a problem getting rid of this stuff, really. If we get too much of a problem with it, I'm going to have to get a crusher and I think. As you can see behind me, he's cracking on with that. I got a bit of a problem. The camcorder stopped working. Well, the memory card's full on this one I don't normally use. So anyway, I'm going to do a little bit of filming and hopefully get the camcorder back in action later. But anyway, that's just a little update of where we're at. See you in a bit. Okay, further update. So I've moved all the concrete now. We're now actually digging out the kind of foundations. There's some mucky old sculpins in there and a bit of clay, a bit of stone. You can see now, I'm basically digging that out. Probably the hardest bit is disposal of this stuff. It's not very nice stuff to have around. Oh, I'm going to have to move the tractor forward a minute. go, so Charlie's just putting in the sculpins now. Good depth of sculpins. We've got all the dirt away. Well, 6 inches of sculpins going down on this.